Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well and ready to learn something new today. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily remove a bank card from your Binance account in just a few minutes. Whether you're looking to update your payment methods or simply want to remove an old card, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in. This process is straightforward and can be done on both the Binance app and the website. First things first, log into your Binance app or website. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you're in, navigate over to the Wallet section. It's usually located at the bottom of the app or on the top menu if you're on the website. Next, click on Funding. This is where you manage all your financial transactions and linked payment methods. In this section, you'll see an option for Payment Methods. This is where all your linked bank cards and other payment options are listed. Go ahead and click on that. It will take you to a detailed list of all the payment methods you have added to your Binance account. Here, you'll see a list of all the bank cards linked to your account. This list is useful for managing your finances and ensuring that all your payment methods are up to date. Find the card you want to remove and tap on the three-dot menu next to it. This menu gives you several options for managing your card. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Remove or Delete. This action will initiate the process of removing the card from your account. You may get a prompt asking you to confirm your action. This is a security measure to ensure that you really want to remove the card. Just hit confirm and you're done. The card will be removed from your list of payment methods. Your bank card has now been successfully removed from your Binance account. You should see a confirmation message on your screen. Keep in mind, removing a card might affect any pending transactions linked to it. If you have any ongoing transactions, make sure they are completed or reassigned to another payment method before removing the card. So make sure you've got everything sorted before you proceed. Double-check your transactions to avoid any disruptions. And that's it. Easy, right? Removing a bank card from Binance is a simple process that ensures your payment methods are always up to date. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials. We regularly post content to help you navigate various platforms and tools. Thanks for watching and see you next time.